Alright, we have these power-ups here, right? Now, in this video, we're gonna start actually coding these power-ups and establish what sort of effects they do to the player character. We're gonna start with our shield power-up, which is this one, the blue one. For this video, we're not gonna touch the power-up script. Instead, we're just gonna do all of our work in our player behavior script. So let's open that script up. Alright, we're here. First things first, in order to establish the player colliding with... I shouldn't say collide. We need to establish the player touching the power-ups. If I remember correctly, hold on. Our power-ups are not colliders, but instead they are triggers. As you can see in the is trigger toggle. So we're gonna create a new method and it's gonna be private void on trigger enter. Now what's our power-up's name? Let's copy this. And in our scripts, we're gonna create an if statement which says if other game object name starts with, then we're gonna paste the name we copied. In this if statement, we're gonna first destroy the power-up instance. So we're gonna write other game object. And then afterwards, we want to create a routine. We want to start a routine because all of our power-ups are gonna be timed. So let's create a routine real quick. Private void. Should it be a void? No. Now, what should be its name? Triple shots activate. To make this coroutine work, we need to actually create a new variable. Let's go here. Our new variable is gonna be a bool variable to determine if our triple shot power up is currently active. So we're gonna write private bool is triple shots active. We're gonna start the game with this variable assigned false. Then going back to our coroutine, we're gonna first set our is triple shot active to true. Then we're gonna wait a few seconds. We're gonna do that by writing guild return new. Wait 4 seconds. I guess 5 seconds will be fine. Then after 5 seconds, we're just gonna toggle or is triple shot active back to false. That's our coroutine right here. And we're gonna call this coroutine in our on trigger enter by writing start coroutine and adding its name. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, there we go. Now, we need to create some changes to our handle shooting method. We're gonna make this line right here is the line that creates our bullets. We call a method that spawns a method. So we're gonna make it so when our is triple shot active is true, we're gonna call this method 3 times. So for that we need to create an if statement. If is triple shot active, true. Shoot a bullet. Shoot direction. And then we're gonna do the same. We're gonna call the shoot a bullet method 2 times. But for those 2 times, we're gonna actually hold on. Let me code this first, and then I'll explain it later. So let's write shoot a bullet coroutine. Not that we're gonna need to add error. So 15 will be enough. Will be enough, I guess. 0. Alright, so what we did is just create a little spread effect for our extra 2 bullets. So the first bullet is gonna go straight, but the other 2 bullets are just gonna go a little bit to the left and right. So this ensures that not all of our bullets go to the same direction. I think we're done here. Let's go to our editor and test this out. Oh wait, hold on. Sorry about that. I wanted to code the triple shot power up, but at the start of the video I accidentally said the shield power up. So I fixed that by writing other game object name starts with power up triple shot instead of power up shield. So now let's do our testing. Or triple shot is this. To make things easier, we're just gonna add an instance to this right here. Alright, or player collide with it. There we go. I think that's not right. We wanted 3 shots, but instead we created... Oh, I see the problem. Shot false. Now this should fix it. Any other problems? I don't think so. Three bulls. 3. There we go. Now it's fixed. Now that we have our triple shot power up active, whenever we shoot out 3 bulls. But then when it goes back to normal, we go back to shooting 1 bullet. It's that simple.